This is port side and my quadrant is off. It's currently being repaired, just like my starboard side quadrant. And this is the rudder post. And I wanted to show you real quick that this bushing, I believe there are 2 bushings per post, so 4 in total, but both the starboard and port side, these bushings, they decreased in size within 25 years. They shrunk, and it was very hard to get it off this post. The metal bearing on the rudder, it's I think it's 82.2 millimeter in diameter, whatever it is in inches, and this thing is supposed to be in place. So it used to be epoxied to the hull, to the socket, to this thing, and that's part of the boat. So that was built along with the rest of the shell. But this bearing, it detached, and just due to the shrinkage, and it's just hugged the metal post, the bearing too well, and it was a pain in the butt to get it off, but I did. And what I'm doing currently, I am 3D printing temporary replacement for these bushings, because I'm not able to put this back in. The ones that are, well, the one I have for this rudder, the other one I believe is gone with the bottom half of the rudder, but this one on the bottom, probably because it was in the water, it was cooled, it's fine. Like, I was able to push this rudder out and pull it back in, no problemo. But the top one, possibly due to the temperature, maybe because the quadrant just pushed for 25 years on this thing, and possibly it squished it in some way. It's probably the temperature, just, you know, it became smaller. So somebody smart advised me to put it in hot water, and then also put like slits, you know, some kind of texture on the outside, so that next time I glue it in, it would stay there and not rotate if the glue detaches. What I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna switch to Jeffa bearings, stainless steel, maybe titanium, maybe not. Maybe I'll stick with something that I could print on my boat. What I'm doing now, just out of better materials like PEEK, P-E-E-K. Yeah, but that's later. For now, I just want my steering system to work. So this is probably just gonna be thrown away. Maybe I'll be able to cut out, to extend the inner diameter again back to what it used to be, and put it back on and glue it in. I don't know. Doesn't look like a very expensive part, and also I like that it's very easy to maintain. So it's not the best bearing in the world. I'm sure something with cylinders, something lubricated, it would let you turn your helm, turn your rudders way easier, but at least there's nothing to break. Well, you know, it's been 25 years, so I don't think it really shrinks overnight. I'm sure it takes years and years, and there are better materials today, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, I'll show later what I printed out to temporarily substitute these, and I hope it fits in. And this is what I'm printing. It's gonna take a couple of hours, but it's PLA. It's a very cheap material. It also deforms easily, and it's not exactly friction reducing, but it's better than nothing. So I'll just use this to prototype the dimensions, and later I'll do something on a CNC machine, maybe maybe just find some good filament from my 3D printer and just print out my own bearing. But yeah, this bushing is currently cooking. I'm using something like a 20% infill. I probably should be 100% for this part, but once again, that would take like 10 hours to print with 100% infill. I'm just trying to find the right dimensions. Alright, let's see. Nope, does not fit. Too thick. Here's the original, and ta-da! Let's try it out. And it's working. Not perfect, but this needs to be glued to this, and I don't think I will. This is temporary, just so that I can put my quadrants back and have my steering cables tensioned again. Good job.